Hello, Dr. Amy Mercovich here, posture expert and chiropractor, and today I'm going to tell you the 3 things you're probably doing wrong when you're standing, and of course, how to fix it and how to stand properly. This is what people do wrong that I see all the time. One is that you're leaning on one side a lot, and especially if you're holding anything or you're holding a baby, it's so easy to just lean on the side and stick a hip out. So you want your weight balanced more. That's an easy fix. The other thing that I see people do wrong is that they're putting their hands in their pockets or something in front of them, and it's making them go like this, or sinking back. And there's 2 terrible things about this. One is that it hurts the lower back because it pinches down here at that L5 disc when your weight shifts back. The other is that watch what it does to my head. Makes my head come forward, and that's terrible for the upper back and the neck and the nerves trying to flow through there. The other thing that people are doing wrong, same way as with the head coming forward and the hips coming forward, is tons of people, you stand like this and you're basically resting your arms on your belly. It's so bad for your back, and again, my head's coming forward. So how do we fix it? Weight balanced, knees soft, shoulders back and down, chin up. So you're zipped right up the front. Now, what do you do with these arms? Because you don't want to do this or you don't want to do this. Very simple, bring your arms behind your back and just grab a wrist and use your shoulders now and your arms as leverage for keeping your posture more upright. It's a pretty easy fix, but I tell you, it's a hard habit to break when you're used to doing this. You got to catch yourself, bring your arms behind you instead.